Hi, this is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I have a sheet pan dinner for you. First, we'll start with veggies. I'm using a variety here of what I had in my crisper drawer, so you can use whatever you have on hand. Now we're going to cut the veggies to the time that it takes for them to cook. The peppers and onions a little larger, the potatoes and other items a little smaller because they take a little longer to cook. So once we have all of them cut up, and I'm just having my Brussels sprouts here, we're going to cut the sausage, and I'm just slicing it up, but you're welcome to leave it whole if you prefer it that way. Then to the cookie sheet, we're going to add a little cooking spray and then arrange all the vegetables. You can mix them together or you can keep them separated, whatever you prefer. Then after we're done arranging, we're going to grab our seasoning. I'm using salt and pepper and garlic here, sprinkle it on, and then we're going to add some cooking oil and just drizzle that on. Once we have those on, we're going to just rub the vegetables to distribute it well. And then we're going to place it in the oven and cook it for about an hour until it's nice and golden brown and cooked. And as you can see, because we took the time to cut the vegetables according to the amount of time they took to cook, we have them, they're nicely brown, nothing's overdone, nothing's underdone. And if you like this recipe, you can click the link to be taken to the printable recipe, or if you're on the blog, just scroll on down. And that's how easy it is to make the sheet pan dinner. If you like easy recipes like this one, head over to the blog at frugalfamilyhome.com. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.